it's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It is about 8 o'clock or a little after 8 a.m. in the morning. I am making my coffee. And I have a gnat in this house. So if you see me swiping the air, it's because I have a gnat. But today is an exciting day because my daughter has a field trip today to the zoo. She's going with her class. I can't even open up my creamer. Ugh, there, God. Like I said, she's going with her class. And for her to be able to feed the zoo animals, a parent has to be there. So, sorry, I'm reading a text. Yeah, so for her to feed an animal, a parent has to be there, like I said. So I'm going. I don't want to go. It's going to be cold, but I'm waiting on the boyfriend to get out of work. He's trying to get out on time to come get me so we can meet her there, because parents are allowed to meet them there. Like, I don't have to go, but I want her to be able to feed the animals too. This one tastes weird. I don't know. I think I like the other one better. I'm not a fan of this one, Mom. But I will drink it anyway, I guess. But yeah, I'm waiting on the boyfriend to get here so we can get ready. I hope he makes it here on time so we have time to get there and meet her there. So I gotta walk around the whole freaking zoo looking for a class. So I decided I was gonna get on here and vlog a little bit and try to vlog a little bit of the trip as I can. So yeah, I might vlog a little bit of me getting ready. I don't know. I have a few things to do. So y'all will either see me in the next clip getting ready, or we will just be at the zoo. I'll see you soon. Walk a little bit there. Arrogance, embarrassing. It isn't fair to tear with this. Addiction place my parents in. I'm scared repair will never fix. The voluntary negligence. Where and tear my hair is still. You can go in your class. We're coming. Feed him, baby. He's hungry. Oh, he dropped it, baby. Yeah, we will. We're going. All right, come on. I know you want to follow Lyra. You can go up there with her. Go ahead. Send me the videos. No, no The food in the cup is not for you, Birdie. Oh, here you go. Maya, it's okay. Don't shake them off. They can fly on you. It's okay. They're eating the wrong food. Huh? That's your sign, dear. Sissy, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Right. You want to get out? I'm going to pee. Sissy, hold on. He's biting your ass. Oh, you got two fighting on your back. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I just wanted to get on here and say that my phone was dying. So that was it for the videos. So I just added a couple little pictures in here that we got to take before our phones died. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog and these pictures. Please subscribe and give me a big like. Thank you. Bye.